Today I'm going to be reviewing Nollapo's 2-in-1 wrapping paper cutter and tape dispenser. Look at how smart this is. So this is what it looks like. You get the tape dispenser there, and then this is where the blade is. There's the blade right there. So the blade actually comes out, and guess what? Give you 2 more to replace, and you get 2 of these. You get 2 extra rolls and replacement blades. So the idea is this part goes over the roll of paper, and then you can just use your left hand to pull the paper out to where you want it, and then it goes under here and you just slide it across and you get a perfect cut every time. This is what it looks like up close. This gets 4.6 stars on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice. Last month 3,000 plus of these were sold. They are just plastic, so they will flex, so not like substantial or anything, but everything that you need right there: your tape dispenser, your cutter, and replacements. I hope this review helps you, and I'll see you next time.